So this is another one of my project where I need to distribute salary on different grants, and they have some maximum percentage limitation. Like let's say at max I should allocate 50% of the whole salary to this particular grant, and I should allocate at most 40% for this particular grant. And they have different start date, they have different end date. Now what I need to do, I need to generate this mapping that for each of those months, how much should I allocate for which specific grants. So you can see September 2024, only grant A was running on that particular month. So 100% is allocated to that particular month. And overall, we need to allocate at max 50%. So the average should be around close to this maximum percentage, so 50%. We should always try to optimize this, that each month we are optimizing the full salary, like now 100%. So that's one constraint. We should do this, and as well as we should try to at max use this percentage or close to that maximum allowed percentage. And I have developed this using Python in Excel, and it's quite complicated code, but it's working fine. And I can show you that. Let's say I just change this to 50%, and I will change this to 50% as well. Now it's generate the information again. If I just change this to, let's say, 60%, this one is 40%, then I get different results. And that's fully working in Python in Excel. Let me know if you need my help in any one of your automation project. Have a good day.